Hi and welcome to Excited for Coupons. If this is your first time, well, thank you for selecting this video and welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and I want to be going over the July 29 already week CVS ad, which ends for August 4th. I can't believe we're almost reaching the month of August. There's some good deals there. Also, there's some coupons that we might be expecting on July 29 based on what the ad does show. So let's just get started with those best deals that I was able to quickly share and find. As you can see, the first page continues the same thing we've been seeing in other ads. Buy 30 and get 10 ECB. I was able to do two different ideas. Doing the Pantene offer based on the coupons that we're expecting and the CVS Ad coupon, and you can see that in the front. Also, I included Pampers, Crest, and the Tide Pods. So this is what I did. I selected 3 Pantene, 2 Head and Shoulder, 1 Tide Pods, and 1 Crest. All those things together come up to $31.93. The picture says that we're expecting coupons for Head and Shoulder deducting 4. It also shows $1.50 for the CVS app. Also a 5 coupon that we might be getting for Pantene. The CVS app will have the Crest coupon deducting 2, and we could also use that $3 Tide Pods coupon as well. If you have all those coupons, the total will be, that's how much you'll pay in the register, $16.43. You receive a $10 ECB, making it $6.43 for all those items, or just 92 cents each. Keep in mind, when you scan your card on the red box machine, you may have coupons deducting 4 off 18 hair care, or you may have coupons for toothpaste. So this will be a good time to use those coupons that you may receive, and you will even save even more. Another idea that I put together was the Tide Pods with the Pampers, and the Pampers are showing $9.99. It's also showing a coupon deducting 3 off 2. So once you have all those together, we did reach almost $30. $29.86 to be exact. You could use that coupon for the Pampers and 2 for the Tide Pods. You pay in the register $20.86. You get back 10 ECB, making it $10.86 or $2.72 each item. These are just quick ideas that I was able to put together as I was viewing the ad. These are some items from the first page. We're expecting a mystery offer for the Alame, as you can see on the picture with the lipstick. It says buy 2, get 5, but we're expecting a mystery offer. The mystery offer may be as low as $3. It could go up to $4. If we get any coupons for Alame, or you have any other coupons for cosmetics, it will be a good time to get it. Sadly, my store still doesn't have that lipstick, which I do want to try. We continue to see Physicians Formula is going to be the same price we've been seeing. Spend 15, get 10. We're expecting coupons for Raisin, Kellogg's cereal, and Quaker deducting 2 when you buy 4. You can see the picture for the Pampers, the Crest that I mentioned. Dawn is going to be for 99 cents. When you see the Dawn, look for checkout 51, because once in a while we do be seeing some cash back for the Dawn. You're going to be seeing back to school deals, offers there as well. And the Febreze is going to be on special, $2.99, retail of $3.99 and up. And you have to spend 30 for you to get the 10 ECB. So we have to, and it also says we're going to be expecting some coupons. So that's a good thing to keep an eye out on. And I'll see if there's a good deal. And I'll share that in the best offers if I did find anything for Febreze. Also, you're going to be seeing some other snacks on special. The Clorox also is going to be buy 1, get 1. The other one 50% off. Spend 20, get 5. And we're also expecting a coupon for them. So I'm also going to see if there's a good deal idea. I will share that as well. The eggs is for $1.69. That is a good price. I'm not sure if you have tried them. Let me know if you really like them. The milk, I think, is a good price too for $2.79. More cereal is going to be on special. More candy there. The CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara is going to be on special, but you have to buy 2 in order for you to get the ECB. And also Milani. It's a good brand, and we normally don't see ECBs or deals like that. So I'm going to be sharing 2 quick deal ideas for the CoverGirl and for the Milani in case you're interested on these products. For Milani, the Foundation is pretty good, just like the setting spray is very good. They're both in my store for $10.49. There's no coupons, but if you have any coupons for Milani, or let's say you have coupons for cosmetics and it does fit that price, $10.49, you will get this for $7.49 after the ECB, or you could buy 2 lipstick for $6.29 after the ECB of 3 when you buy 10. Your total will be $4.79 for each lipstick. Those are some ideas in case you want to buy something from Milani's Cosmetics. For the CoverGirl Lash Blast, there is a coupon we're expecting for $2 on that Sunday, July 29. You could buy 2 of the mascara, use 2 coupons, pay $12, get back $5, so your total will be $3.50. But if you have any cosmetics or CoverGirl coupons you received in the red box, you could use it and you save a lot more. Also, if you're able to do an early activation, there's a coupon that expires on Saturday, deducting 3. So if you're able to use that coupon, you'll be able to save $2, even more for the CoverGirl mascara. Looking through the ad, the Rimmel is buy 2 get 5. MoMA Cosmetics buy 2 get 5. Sally Hansen's spend 12 get 6. And also Neutrogena Cosmetics spend 15 get 5. For the Sally Hansen, if you still have any rebate for Saving Star, and you want to do a deal, I think that would be a good deal. If there's still any coupons available, mix and match and you'll be able to save. For the Neutrogena, here's an idea: buy 2 of the lip for $7.99. Use 2 coupons, deducting 2. It'll be $11.98. You get back 5, and it'll be $3.49. But if you have a cosmetic coupon, you could use it on that deal and save even more. As the ad continues, you will see that the Almay, they're putting the same picture again here. Since it's National Lipstick Day, there's going to be so many great offers for the NYX Professional, for L'Oreal, for Moa Lipstick, for Maybelline, for Revlon, for Rimmel. And also don't forget that when you spend $30 or more on beauty products, you get back 3 free ECB just for spending $30 on beauty. So I'm going to be sharing with you some lipstick ideas, and it's going to be National Lipstick Day, and they're promoting all of those ECBs for lipstick specifically for each cosmetic line. And I was able to find a few deals quickly. So the first one is the Wet n Wild Liquid Capsule. It's going to be on special for $4.29. They said that we're going to be expecting a coupon with the ECB. It'll come out to $179, and there's a limit of 3. Another idea is the Rimmel lip liner. You could buy 2. Look at the coupon. Make sure that the coupon doesn't exclude lip liner. And if it doesn't, you can use that coupon. You pay in the register $6.58. You get back 5, and it'll be 79 cents for each Rimmel lip liner. For Revlon, the lipstick that I found that was the cheapest was the Color Burst for $7.99. After the coupon and the ECB will be $3.49 for each lipstick. NYX Professional, you don't need any coupons. This is a really good deal. From $11.98, you're going to get it for $1.98. So I think that's a really good deal. And if you have any coupons from CVS for cosmetics, that will be perfect to combine for any of these deals. Also CoverGirl lipstick, and you'll see in the picture the Wet n Wild liquid capsule. Also Joa Cosmetics is a new line, and they're already promoting you get back for ECB when you spend 12. That's a good time, I think, to try it. Sadly, when I see them in the ad and I go to my store, they're still not available. So keep an eye out in your store if this is a line that you would like to add. So as you can see, just this page alone was all promoting for the National Lipstick Day. For Wet n Wild, spend 10, you get 5 ECB. If you have any CVS coupons that you got in the red box machine for Wet n Wild, I think that's the perfect time, since I think we are expecting coupons on that week. Also, Cetaphil is going to be on special, spend 20, get 5. And you will also see K-Beauty. They've been promoting this on and off. Spend 12, get 4. It is a Korean line, and it's good to try their mask. They could be a little expensive, but I think that's a good time to try it when you see that you do get ECBs back. The L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub is going to be on special. And also items like Clearasil, All acne products is going to be on special as well. You're going to be seeing a lot of hair care products on special. As you can see, just the top alone was basically for Tresemme, different prices, different options, but if combined, you spend 15, get 5. It's a special. When you scan your card, see if you get any coupons for CVS in the red box for Tresemme, and you could combine and get the best deal. As you can see in the picture, the Head and Shoulder, that spot that is green is still continuing the promotion you see in the first page, the cover page, about spend 30, get 10 ECB. And I did mention the Head and Shoulder, and you can see the deal right there. Also, it's saying to look in most Sunday papers for buy a Pantene shampoo, get a 3-minute miracle free item, and that's a coupon for you to be in the lookout for that week. And if you do get that coupon, it will be a good item to include on when making a deal of when you do Pantene, spend 30, get 10. Another new item I've been seeing a lot of promotion, especially in Walmart, is any the Broo shampoo or conditioner is going to be on special. In addition, we're expecting a coupon, and you're going to be getting an ECB. I'm going to be sharing with you quickly a deal idea for this item, and this is something that you're going to try. I think this is the best time to actually try to get it because it's on special for $12 when you buy 2, of course. But after all the deal idea, you will get it for $1 with that coupon, the ECB that I mentioned. And also look at your Ibotta app. If you're new to Ibotta, you've been debating, I'm going to provide the information in the description box so you could join Ibotta and don't miss out. Just for joining, you will get an incentive amount already on your account, and you could use my link provided in the description box. If you're not new to Ibotta, you could look and select this item that it says you get cash back $2 for each item. And so this is what I did. I put the amount. If you use the coupon, you'll pay 10. After the ECB and the Ibotta, the final price will be $2 or just $1 each. Also, if you have any hair care CVS coupons, and if you do get it, then it will be a really great deal. But this is already a great deal with the Ibotta cashback offer. Those are all the items we were able to see for hair care that are going to be on special. Select Not Your Mother's is going to be buy one get one 50% off. Also, that's pretty rare. Buy one and get one 75% off for Caress and Sarai's body wash or Caress bar soap. The Irish Spring is the same deal we've been seeing from last week. So if you have that CVS for body wash, 2 off 8, it will come out to 50 cents. Herbal Essence is on special. I don't want to pass the Brute, not the Brute, but the other deodorant, Sure deodorant, is going to be a great deal. Going back to the deodorant, it's going to be on special. That's the price, $2.49. After the coupon we're expecting and the ECB, you should be getting it for 49 cents. So I think that's a good deal as well. You're going to be seeing mouthwash and Colgate and toothpaste, toothbrush deals that we normally see throughout the week. Also offers for Venus and razors. Some of them are showing we're going to be getting coupons. And you're going to see a long part of it is offering a lot of special prices for specific items there. The ad continues with deals for allergy medicines and vitamins, and even for the eye, you're going to see on special. On the other part, you will see a big spot there showing a lot of more offers, including save 30, pay 30, or buy 30 get 10. And an idea that I found quickly was the Playtex 4 is buy one and the other one will be 50% off. You buy 4, you use that coupon. Also, if you have that CVS for specifically for tampons or pads, you pay $7.88, you get back 3 ECB, and your total will be $122. But be in the lookout for checkout offers, checkout 51. Because sometimes I've been seeing mentioning this product in there, you'll save even more. So you'll see that on that page as well for the Playtex Carefree Stay Free. Buy one and get the other one for 50% off. You will see Ensure also on special, and also it's saying that we should be getting some coupons, which there's also deals for Abino and Johnson. I've been seeing deals for him, giving offers for ECB, but I haven't been seeing coupons. Stay in the lookout in case we do get coupons for Johnson and Johnson, or if there's any surprise printable, then I will share a video about that. Also, there's going to be a big BOGO event, as you see, for vitamins, and this is a good time to, I guess, do mix and match as well. This other page is continuing to promote the National Lipstick Day, and is sharing the same pictures you saw previously, promoting those brands. Also, Scott paper towel and tissue is going to be on special. So this was quickly, I was trying to do it as quick as I could, and whatever I was able to see quickly of those deals, just to show them right away. But be in the lookout also that I do like to do my best offers, and I'm going to be working more on that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick CVS ad preview for that Sunday. Don't forget to share this video so that people will get started with saving and getting ready for that following week for all the best offers. Give it a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video, you really liked it. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.